Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or enable profile views on TikTok. So if you have a TikTok account and you want to have access to everyone that visits or view your profile on TikTok in the past 30 days, then here's a video for you. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to enable and turn on profile views on your TikTok account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first you want to do to enable or turn on profile view on TikTok is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. This could be Android and could be on iPhone. Then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you click on the profile icon at the bottom right, this will take you to your TikTok profile page. On the TikTok profile page, if these two icon is missing, which is the profile view button is missing, then go ahead and click on the menu icon at the top right. Then locate and click on settings and privacy. Now, under settings and privacy, locate and click on privacy. Once you tabbed privacy, scroll down the page until you get to interactions. Now, under interactions, locate profile views and then click on that. Now, once you click on that, you see profile view history. If this is disabled, go ahead and enable it. And once you enable it, this is going to show who view your profile in the past 30 days and allow that to see that you view their profiles. So once you enable this, this is going to enable profile views on your TikTok account. Then you can now hit the back button. Now, once that is enabled, you should see these two buttons here, which is the profile view button. And whenever you click on it, you should see whoever that visits your TikTok profile page in the last 30 days. So that is basically how to turn on or enable profile views on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.